So here you can see I have actually written the 4 commands. So we can create the script for that and write within that. But some of you are aware of the script, how to write, but most of you are not aware. So from next session, we are starting with how to write the script and how we can write the same command within a script. Okay. So by the time I have just written it in the terminal itself. So you can see I have written here the 4 commands. So first is, as you all of you aware, we have to just concatenate these 5 files together. Okay, and this I have appended in this appended .txt. Okay. Then next, what we want to split these alphabets and the numeric. Okay, so that for that now, in order to write the multiple commands, you can use the pipe here also. Okay, I have mentioned the semicolon. Okay, so here you can mention the pipe also, or you can have the semicolon also. Okay. So second command I have written here. Now in the second command, what we are doing, we are using the extended regular expression. For that, I have written here the capital E and O. All of you know O will print the matching things. Okay. And this is the wildcard expression I have written here as a part of the regular expression you can see. So all of you know this first part will just match with what? Alphabets. Okay. So this is the standard function kind of thing you can see as a alpha. Okay. So you have to write it like this only. And the second part will give us the digit from your this appended.txt. So to the second command, we are given the input as this appended.txt. Okay, let me show you the appended.txt once again. So this is our appended.txt. Okay. Now see here. So now we want to separate out this part. Okay. Now we want to separate out this and we want to put all this in the split.txt. Okay, so where is our split.txt? Okay, so for that second command I have written here. Okay, whatever the things there in the appended.txt. Okay, from that we want to separate out the alphabets and the digits and put that things in the split.txt. A third command I have written here. Now I just want to extract the digit, means I want to just display the digits. Okay, and I want to put that digit in the final txt, this file. You can see the third command, grep, then capital E, hyphen capital E and the O. And here I have written the regular expression just for the digits. Okay. So to this command, I am giving the input as a split.txt, is whatever the things in the split.txt. Okay, out of that, what I want, I just want the digits. And here I have created I have used the redirection symbol, which will create one new file, file.txt. Okay. So once I run this, you can see, let's see our cat final.txt. So you can see our split.txt was combination of these different kind of alphabets and the digits. Okay. And now we have got the final.txt here. So this is just only the digits from that split.txt, which is the combination of alphabets and the numerics. Okay. Now in the similar way, you can add the one more command there. Okay, you can add one more command there, and you can split out. You can store the alphabets also in the separate file. So let me give a name to this as a final 5. So you can see we only have the alphabets out of that. Okay, so this is in this way you can utilize these 4 commands, and we can have the particular alphabets and the numeric into the separate file out of that appended 5 files. Okay, so this part actually there are the multiple notations like this in the script we are going to use. Okay, like these digits and this alpha. This is the part of the actually the part of the regular expressions. Okay, which is also being referred as a wildcard entries. So in the when we start with the sessions of our scripting, in that we are having this separate topic. Okay, how to understand this regular expression. Some of you are aware of these things, some of you might be not getting this part. Okay, but don't worry, in the when you start the scripting part, and in that we have the content of regarding the regular expression, that time you will get the clear idea about this. Okay, so yes, anything that you want to ask regarding this one?
Yeah, because actually you are using here semicolon. So what is the meaning of semicolon?
So as I said, if you want to run the multiple commands, okay, you can use the semicolon there, or you can also use the pipe also.
Okay, that means both meanings are same.
Some command with the pipe.
Okay, and now one more question, because in this command you are using a single greater than sign for appending. So this is a Linux. I think this is a Linux based system. So that's why it is using a single greater than symbol.
Single what? Single?
The single greater than symbol, split.txt greater than final.txt. In the last line, last word you can see split.txt greater than final 5.txt. That means you are appending split.txt into final 5.txt. Am I right?
Here you are on to say final this one.
Yeah, you can take this one, or you can take last one.
Yeah. What we are doing here, to this grep command, I am giving the input as a split.txt, correct?
Okay.
And whatever the result of that I am taking it in the final.txt. This is a redirection symbol.
Okay.
Okay, so whatever the output of this previous command, that will go into the this file, this final.txt.
Okay, so I think this greater than is an appending symbol.
Appending is this one, appending one, this one.
Okay.
Here single greater than is just to create a new file.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
It will overwrite. Okay.
Yeah, that usually we used to use with the cat command.
Okay. Yeah.
Correct.
Yes, because thank you.
Yes. Yeah, there can be a confusion because these symbols used to be there. Okay, double greater than and the single greater than. Okay. Yeah. So yes, apart from this, so I will paste this command in the chat. You can try this. Okay, then with your path and actual all these kind of things. That time you will get the clear idea about this. Okay. And then last one that you must have also done, last one regarding the what was that, checking all the files within the directory which are having the numerics inside that. So these all of you must have implemented this one, correct?
Yes, Vikas.
Okay, so there can be a multiple ways. Okay, if you see the statements, there can be a multiple ways to implement this. Okay, based on how you apply the logic, based on how you apply the patterns and the regular expression, wildcard entries there. Okay, so you can have your own solutions also. So I just explain you the different ways how we can do this part. Yes, anybody want to share anything or any doubt? Then we'll start with the next some commands.